Customers defrauded by the Moray and Kamran BE construction companies protested in front of the General Prosecutor's Struggle Against Corruption office. Each company has been found to have violated the property rights of hundreds of citizens by not completing promised constructions and selling individual apartments to multiple families. Several months have passed and the protesters are demanding the company to either return their money or provide new apartments. Several defrauded persons were received by the Office for Struggle Against Corruption. The citizens said that if their demands are not met, they will not hold another protest before presidential administration. We bought an apartment, but it was resold to others, and we are unsatisfied with this. We demand that the companies don't sell our apartments to others.